Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best Guess crossbody bag for women available in the clearance sale. The Noelle Crossbody camera bag in brown logo. If you're searching for a stylish, versatile, and affordable accessory, this one definitely deserves your attention. The Noelle Crossbody camera bag by Guess is crafted from 100% synthetic materials, offering a sleek look without compromising on durability. This imported bag features a polished brown logo design that adds a touch of sophistication to any outfit, making it perfect for casual days out or evening events. Measuring 8 inches in length, 3 inches in width, and 5.5 inches in height, this bag strikes the perfect balance between compact and spacious. Despite its petite size, it offers ample room to carry your essentials like your phone, wallet, keys, and even some makeup. Inside, you'll find practical interior card slots as well as a back zip pocket, providing organized storage and easy access to your belongings. The bag closes securely with a sturdy zipper, and it boasts shiny gold hardware that elevates its overall aesthetic, giving it that classic Guess charm. The shoulder strap offers a 23.5-inch drop, making it comfortable to wear crossbody or over the shoulder, which is great for hands-free convenience. What's also worth mentioning is the polyester lining inside the bag, which adds to its durability and makes it easy to clean. Weighing just about 1.1 pounds, it's lightweight and won't weigh you down throughout the day. Guess has a long-standing reputation for blending youthful, adventurous styles with timeless designs, and the Noelle Crossbody camera bag is a perfect example. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or going out with friends, this bag complements your look effortlessly. This product ships from Amazon and comes with a 30-day refund or replacement guarantee, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Plus, the bag's affordable clearance price makes it a smart buy without sacrificing the high-quality Guess brand experience. To sum up, if you want a chic, practical, and well-crafted crossbody bag from a renowned brand, the Guess Noelle Crossbody camera in brown logo is an excellent choice. It combines style, functionality, and value, all wrapped up in a compact design perfect for everyday use. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.